Hello guys, a friend asked me a question about the car wash machine yesterday. He said, "Hey Thomas, can this machine work during winter?" Winter? Of course it can. Today, I want to show you the anti-freezing system of this machine. After 1 day's use, normally there is no cars to wash at night. But there is still a lot of water stay at the water pipe of car wash machine, like this. Now, I will show you the anti-freezing system. This function can be found at the touch screen. Here it is. Just press down this button. Wow! Now we can see the water squirts from the water pipe. See, the water is coming out. Okay, now what we can do is just wait until it's finished. Wow, now it stopped, right? It means there is no water in the water pipe. So you can feel free to use it tomorrow, even in the winter. This is Thomas, an expert of any car wash machine.